Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Stark and I am a product training coordinator within the training department at WellnessLiving. This improvement will allow users or staff members to add and complete forms from the client's profile. So now staff will have the functionality to add a form on a client's profile and also be able to fill out the form on the client's behalf. To show the functionality, what I want to do is first navigate to a client's profile. So to do that, I'm just going to go to search and then I'm going to go to say Janet's profile. From here, what I would like to do is go over to documents, and then we're going to click for that drop down, and then I'm going to click on forms. Then once here, we can see everything that we could see before, which would be the forms that might be on their actual profile and whether they are not required, have not been completed, or they have been completed. So with this new improvement, like I said, it's going to allow you to add a form to the client's profile. And then as a staff member, you can actually fill it out on the client's behalf. So what that looks like is just like this. So we can actually go to forms, and right here, we can click on add form. And then we can pick a form that is created within the business already. So let's say that I want to use the training and fitness level form, and then I can add that to their profile, and we can see that it comes up right here. And then if I navigate over to the action menu, I can click on that. And then we have all of the same options that we would for a non-completed form. But there is this additional one here, which is fill in the form. So I can click on that as the staff member. And then just for time's sake, I'm just going to type in test. And then you can actually fill out the form on behalf of the client as a staff member. So you can go through, fill in all the selections that you want. Again, this is just an example form. Then once that form's complete, you can click on save, and then it will show that it's been completed, and it will show the completed on date and time as well. And of course, your IP address and everything else stays the same. As for a use case on this, say that you are the staff member and then you're talking to a client on the phone who's either maybe booking a service, so it could be an event, an appointment, or a class, or maybe they're buying a product where a form is linked to it as well. Regardless, you could talk to them on the phone, and then you could actually say, hey, there's a form that's required. Can I fill this out, or would you consent to me filling it out on your behalf? If they say yes, then you can go ahead, you can add the form, you can go to the action menu, click fill in the form, and then you can actually go through the form with the client on the phone, and then you can fill it out on their behalf. Once it's done, click save, and then there you go. You have a completed form on the client's profile, and you filled it out on their behalf. So again, this is a great improvement to have with forms. It does just offer that next level of functionality and customization, and it makes the flow of booking and going through and completing forms that much easier. And like I said, it improves the functionality between the client and staff member and the business as a whole.